forward. Siyabonga yatsaka. Namuhla it was a big day. There is this person next to me. Who thinks like he's equal to me. And I'm not paramount to him. Mina I'm Pirates. Pirates means business. And look how support the Pirates. Mbili ya wena ibhakahle. Support the Pirates. One thing I would like about Pirates, you see I've got 2 belts. This one I'm saying, goodbye Mbokazi. You did your job. I'm happy. But to the new captain, Maskanye. So what I'm saying is Orlando Pirates is a big team, will support Pirates. Every now and then will be here Escotini.
Yes.
He support the Pirates. Pirates mnyama lento. Pirates mnyama lento. Pirates mnyama lento.